Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. As always, I hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this new video on Solana, your daily update. All right, we're covering it again. I mean, I like doing daily updates because, we can talk about the previous day and basically you'll just stay updated with the price and I can see it every day. And that's the best way to analyze. I mean, if you really want to analyze the crypto and if you really want to trade it and know what's going on, you should analyze it multiple times per day, see what's going on, see how it reacts, etc., etc. So what we said yesterday is what I expected is that right now the market structure for Solana is a clear consolidation, all right? So between this level around $50, which is a super strong support, and 62.4, which is not the strongest resistance, but it has been holding so far. And yesterday Solana was showing quite a lot of momentum in the afternoon and in the morning, so there was a possibility that Solana could break out above that level, which in the video we talked about that, and I said I do not expect that, which so far has turned out to be true, but it's still a possibility that Solana will break above that later. All right, so that's what I wanted to talk about. Right now, if you look at the momentum for Solana, you can see that it has dropped down a bit. All right, so you can see that the momentum yesterday peaked out at around $830 million, has dropped down towards 790, which is still, to be fair, is still very high. All right, that's still higher than, for example, the 25th of November when Solana also at least tried to break $60. But at this moment, I don't see enough to assume that Solana is going to break out. All right, if you look at this, and yes, we're implementing more and more into the analysis. If you look at this, for example, on the 1 hour time frame, you'll see that the open interest after hitting that resistance has dropped down quite a bit. So that means positions are being closed. The open interest is in a bit of a downtrend. The funding rates don't really matter, but all right, so the open interest is dropping down. So Solana is losing momentum. And that in combination with the fact, even though like Solana right now is quite correlated with Bitcoin, it not always is, but that does mean that I expect Bitcoin to fall down. All right, so that is another reason why I think it's more likely that Solana will then also follow Bitcoin. So, yeah, I would say there's still a chance, right? So there still is a chance if the open interest starts increasing rapidly, and if, for example, Solana drops down to 57.5 and then gains a lot of strength from there, like tests 62.4 instantly, then it can break above that level and rally up higher. I mean, in the end, and that is the truth, if 62.4, 62.5 breaks, and it's held as support afterwards, that's a major bullish breakout and price will rally higher afterwards. Technically, that's true. For now, though, I do still stand by my analysis of yesterday that I don't see enough of a reason or enough confirmations to assume that a breakout like that will happen. I think it's more likely that now Solana will drop down further, will lose more momentum and drop that back down towards $54 and $50. And then eventually, I do expect that from that support, Solana has enough momentum to eventually break above 62.4 and rally up to $70 and $75. So long term, that is what I expect. And that's also why I'm telling you, it's also a possibility now. Now, at this moment, when I'm making the video, there's absolutely not enough confirmation. All right, so things would have to change. Volume has to go up. Open interest has to go up. Just in general, has to test 62.4, which it hasn't done. So yeah, this is what I think is more likely at this moment. But if you do have any questions, anything, if you need clarifications, let me know down in the comments and I'll provide them. For now, thank you for watching. Take care. And down in the description and the pinned comment, you'll find some more info on my premium and Signal group if that sounds interesting. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.